It's 7:03 and I'm joining you live from the newsrooms of Mumbai. I'm filling in for my colleague and executive editor Niranjan Narayanaswamy, who has been at the crime branch for 7 hours. He informed the police personnel there that he has to anchor. He has to fulfill his professional responsibilities. He has to anchor 7 p.m. But they've held him back. We're talking to our lawyers. We're trying to get a sense of what's happening because the questioning got over sometime in the afternoon. Niranjan went in a little after 12:30. 12:47 was when his questioning began. He came out for a short while. He was called back. He was told that the DCP wants to question him. A short while back, Rhythm told us that at this point of time, statements are being translated. We're still trying to get a complete picture of what's happening. Abhishek Kapoor is also joining me on this broadcast. 6 days back, Abhishek Kapoor was in Mumbai. He had received summons. On the day Niranjan was questioned, he kept waiting there. He told the police officials there that he's not in the best of his health. Despite that, he was made to wait for hours, then called back the next day. Abhishek, you attended to those summons. Republic Media Network, every member of the Republic team is cooperating with the investigation. But today we just do not know why it's taking so long. Last time it was 7 hours. This time Niranjan went in, his questioning got over. Now he's called back and he's held back there. What, according to you, what is your assessment? What is your reading of the situation?
Well, Sagarika, it's a little surprising that Niranjan is being asked to, have an audience with the DCP and wait for it, because I remember when I was there in Mumbai last week, I actually, after my questioning was over, asked them whether I should go and meet the DCP. They said no. Then I asked whether I can go and sit with the DCP and ask some questions. They said no. I don't know why they were not interested or not willing to let me have an audience with the DCP. Now they want Niranjan to wait because the DCP is in some meeting and they want him to have an audience with the DCP. Look, the fact of the matter is, this investigation began as a fraud, has turned into a farce. And if this source-based information about Parambir Singh, the Mumbai Police Commissioner, asking for multiple FIRs against Republic is true, because the present FIR is falling flat, then it would be harakiri for his present posting in the light of the developments that have taken place in the last 24 hours with the CBI now also having a parallel investigation on the manner in which TRPs are really manipulated, if at all. We are not anyone to conclude. It's for the investigating agencies to carry out an investigation of integrity, a transparent investigation, and then come to a conclusion, rather than what Parambir Singh did, coming out with a press conference within 24 hours or 36 hours and saying, oh, there is a case against Republic TV. So I believe this investigation, as I said, Sagarika, is turning into a farce. The manner in which Niranjan has been called today second time, as also our Chief Finance Officer, S. Sundaram, who continues to be questioned at the crime branch. It's clearly a case of vendetta and malice, and earlier it ends, the better.
Yes. 4 members of the Republic Media Network have been summoned. We're also trying to get a sense if Sundaram, if our CFO Sundaram's questioning has begun. The last we heard was that after Niranjan's questioning, he was still waiting there. Anant, our colleague, is also joining us. Abhishek, Anant, आप crime branch के बाहर है. 7 घंटे हो चुके हैं. यहाँ से जहाँ से हम रिपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, जो मुंबई न्यूज़ रूम है हमारा, निरंजन को यहाँ पे खड़ा होकर ये ब्रॉडकास्ट हमारे दर्शकों को, he was supposed to anchor this bulletin. As a colleague who stands in solidarity, I'd like to reiterate this once again, that Niranjan informed the police officials that he has to be back, he has to fulfill his professional responsibilities, and this after his questioning had completed. जैसे अभिषेक हमें बता रहे हैं कि he was told yes that you should meet the DCP. Statements, the translation of statements is happening at this point of time. आप वहाँ पे हैं. What is the sense that you're getting? You've been talking to people. What's happening around you? Tell our viewers.
सागरिका, सुबह 11 बजे का लगभग वो वक्त था जब पूछताछ के लिए निरंजन को अंदर बुलाया गया था। उम्मीद है कि 3 से 4 घंटे की पूछताछ के बाद निरंजन वापस आ सकेंगे, बाहर आ सकेंगे। लेकिन हुआ ये कि पिछले 7.5 घंटों से लगातार पूछताछ उनसे की जा रही है, और अभी जो हमें पता चला वो ये कि पूछताछ अगले 2 से 3 घंटे और जारी रह सकती है। हालांकि इस बीच जहां पुलिस ऑफिसर से उनसे बातचीत करने की हम लोगों ने कोशिश की भी कि आखिरकार पूछताछ की क्या जा रही है, किस संबंध में की जा रही है, क्योंकि अभी तक जितने एविडेंसेस या जितने एलिगेशंस लगाए गए थे मुंबई पुलिस की तरफ से, रिपब्लिक ने हर एक एलिगेशन का जवाब दिया है और न सिर्फ जवाब दिया, उनकी प्रूफ के साथ बताया कि जितनी एफआईआर दर्ज करने की कोशिश की गई थी, जितने आरोप लगाए गए थे, वो तमाम आरोप, तमाम एफआईआर झूठ के ऊपर बेस थी। लेकिन साथ ही साथ बताया मैं ये भी जा रहा है इस मामले में कि परमवीर सिंह ने इंस्ट्रक्ट किया है कि इस मामले में चूंकि जो पहली एफआईआर थी वो निराधार साबित हुई, उस बारे में कोई सबूत नहीं मिल पाया है, तो कुछ और फ्रेश एफआईआर भी रिपब्लिक के ऊपर दर्ज करने की कोशिश की जा सकती है। देखिए पूरा ये स्ट्रक्चर है, स्केलेटन है, उसको समझने की जरूरत है, क्योंकि न सिर्फ पुलिस महकमा बल्कि राजनीतिक महकमा भी इसी कोशिश में लगातार लगा हुआ है कि जो रिपब्लिक और रिपब्लिक के लोग जो लगातार सच की आवाज उठा रहे हैं, कैसे उनको परेशान किया जाए, कैसे उनको चुप कराया जाए।
Anant is getting us an update from outside the crime branch. When Niranjan has been there, he reached the crime branch at around 12. He spoke to the viewers of Republic TV. He spoke to Republic Media Network editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami. He went in and he said, yes, the truth is with us. We are going to win this. Suhail is also joining me live. Suhail, this questioning comes on a day when we've put out a sting operation. A second sting operation which reveals the larger conspiracy. A second sting operation which goes on to prove that Parambir Singh 13 days back went ahead and peddled lies in that nationally televised press conference. Today, as Niranjan faces questions at the crime branch, today as 4 members of the Republic team are summoned by the crime branch, what is the sense that you're getting? Because sources close to Parambir Singh are telling us that he's getting very, very desperate. वो बहुत desperate हो रहे हैं. वो ये कह रहे हैं कि जो पहला केस है उसमें कोई बेसिस नहीं है, वो क्रम्बल हो रहा है और इस वजह से वो कह रहे हैं अपने जूनियर्स से कि और एफआईआर्स फाइल करिए जिसमें आप रिपब्लिक टीवी को अक्यूज नेम करिए. आपके पास क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन है?
जी, मैं इस वक्त मौजूद हूं कमिश्नर ऑफ पुलिस परमवीर सिंह के ऑफिस के बाहर. मैं अगर तस्वीरें दिखाऊं, यही ऑफिस है, यही निरंजन अंदर मौजूद है, यही निरंजन अंदर है जहां जिनसे 7-7.5 घंटे से लगातार पूछताछ हो रही है. सुंदरम भी अंदर ही मौजूद है जिनसे सवाल जवाब हो रहे हैं. लेकिन बड़ी चीज ये है कि जो टीआरपी के आरोप लगाए गए उसमें रिपब्लिक का कहीं नाम नहीं था. पहली बात, क्योंकि बार्क के जो मेल आया, उस बार्क के जो मेल हमने दिखाया उसमें भी हमारा नाम नहीं. जो एफआईआर लिखाई गई उस एफआईआर में रिपब्लिक का कहीं नाम नहीं. इसके अलावा हंसा की जो रिपोर्ट है उस रिपोर्ट में रिपब्लिक का कहीं नाम नहीं. यानी रिपब्लिक का दूर दूर तक किसी केस में नाम नहीं है. कोई एफआईआर दर्ज नहीं है, कोई चार्जेस नहीं है, किसी सेक्शन में कोई मामला दर्ज नहीं है. उसके बावजूद निरंजन को बुलाकर घंटों पूछताछ हो रही. निरंजन अपना शो जो उनकी ड्यूटी है वो छोड़कर यहां सवालों के जवाब दे रहे हैं. यानी साफ है, मुझे लगता है ये कोई कॉन्स्पिरेसी इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि मंत्री ऑन कैमरा हमारे स्ट्रिंग पर बोल चुका है, मंत्री बोल चुका है, कांग्रेस का प्रवक्ता बोल चुका है कि हमें तो आपको फंसाना है, हमें परेशान करना है. बस कोशिश वही हो रही है. प्रेशर दरअसल हमने एक्सपोज कर दिया कि आप क्या करने वाले हैं. इसके बाद परेशानी हो रही है कि अगर अब केसेस लगाते हैं, अब एफआईआर कोई दर्ज करते हैं, अब कोई मामला दर्ज करते हैं, तो ये साबित हो जाएगा जो कुछ मंत्री कह रहे थे, जो कुछ कांग्रेस के प्रवक्ता कह रहे थे वो सही है. ये पूरी कॉन्स्पिरेसी दरअसल रची गई है, इसमें बड़े बड़े लोग शामिल हैं. दरअसल उसका हमने खुलासा कर दिया है. इसीलिए थोड़ा संभल कर कदम रख रहे हैं. निरंजन फिलहाल अंदर है और हम इंतजार कर रहे हैं कब वो बाहर निकलेंगे.
जी, 7 hours, 11 minutes and 49 seconds. The countdown is there on your screens. It's for that long that Niranjan has been there at the crime branch. We'll have to take a short break right now, but we keep our focus on the story. Sources are telling us that yes, our lawyers are present there. Niranjan was questioned. The questioning got over. He came out briefly. He was called back. He was told that the DCP wants to talk to him. Some statements are being translated. We're trying to get you more details of the case that is currently underway. But one thing's for sure, there is a vexatious exercise that is on, and there are vested interests who are involved in this actively. Taking a short break. We'll be back.